Hi students, good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss the second concept in temporal models, and the last concept in the fourth unit is nothing but hidden Markov model. So these two concepts we are going to discuss today. So among these two, first we are going to discuss inferences in temporal models. So up to this concept, the temporal model concept is over. So the concept is inferences in temporal model. So in this model, we have four different tasks. So various inference tasks. So to discussing these tasks is nothing but the inferences in temporal model concept. So in that the first inference is filtering, and the second one is prediction, and the third one is smoothing, and the fourth one is most likely explanation or sequences. So these are the four different types of inferences tasks in temporal models. So now we are going to describe or explaining one by one here. So in that the first one is filtering. So filtering means it expressed in the form of P of, that means probability of xt by E of 1 is to t is the expression concept for filtering. So what is this filtering means? It computes the current belief state given all evidence. So filtering task is mainly used for computing the current belief state. Current state, to discuss about the current state, we are using this filtering concept. So to compute the current belief state given all evidence. Better name is state estimation. So what is the example here? In the umbrella example, that means already we discussed this concept, observing the rainy concept based on the director umbrella, the security person identifying whether outside there is a raining or not. So that example, in the umbrella example, this would mean computing the probability of rain today, because already filtering is mainly used for current state. So that's why whether the probability of raining today given all the observations of the umbrella carrier made so far. So in this example, for today, is there raining or not? To predict that one is the concept of filtering. So filtering is mainly used for current state evidence. And the second concept is prediction. So prediction, the expression format is P of x t plus k divided by E of 1 is to t for all k greater than or equal to 0. So in the prediction environment, what we are computing? To compute a future belief state. That means future, in the future what may be happen, we want to predict now. So future given current evidence, it's like filtering without all evidence. So based on the current evidence, we are computing the future belief state. It is discussed in the concept of prediction. So for this, what is the example? In the umbrella, same example, this might be computing the probability of rain 3 days from now. So we are predicting for the 3 days the rain is there or not. So given all the observations of the umbrella carrier made so far. So in the filtering it is for current state, and for prediction it is for future. So that's why here we are computed probability of rain for 3 days from now. So from now onwards, is the raining for 3 days or not? To checking that one is comes under prediction. And the third one is used here. Before of the prediction is useful for evaluating possible course of action. Then third one is smoothing. So the expression format for smoothing is P of x k divided by E of, so P of x k divided by E of 1 is to t for all 0 less than or equal to k or less than t. This is the expression format for smoothing. So what is this smoothing? To compute the better estimate of past states. So filter is used for current, predicates is used for future, and smoothing is used for estimating the better past state. Already past state estimation for estimating the past is used for smoothing. Same umbrella activity, umbrella example is used here. It might mean computing the probability that it rained last Wednesday. Given all the observation of the umbrella carrier made up to date. So, in the last Wednesday, is there probability or not? To checking that one is nothing is used for smoothing. So, smoothing is mainly used for estimating past states. Then the fourth one is most likely explanation or sequences. Agma x t1 is to t. So x 1 is to t, that is probability of x 1 is to t divided by small e 1 is to t is the expression format of most likely explanation. So what is this? It compute the state sequence that is most likely given the evidence. Sequential manner, continuous manner, if you want to compute any states for the evidence, we can use the most likely explanation or most likely sequences concept. For example, if the umbrella appears on each of the first 3 days and is absent on the fourth day, so that means sequence. Sequence means serially. So umbrella appears in the hands of director for the first 3 days and the fourth day is absent, then most likely explanation is that it remains on the first 3 days, rained on the first 3 days and do not rain on the fourth day. So that is, if the umbrella is there in the hands of director, then rain is there. Then umbrella is not appeared in the hands of director, then there is no rain. So first 3 days, the umbrella is appeared in the director hands. So that's why the first 3 days there is rain. And the fourth day umbrella is not appeared in the director hand. That's why the fourth day is not rain. So that is given here. So based on the sequential manner, if you want to identify anything, we can use state sequences concept. So totally the inferences in temporal model contain 4 points. One is filtering, used for finding out the evidence of current state, and second one predicate, it is mainly used for future estimations, and for smoothing it is used for past estimations, and most likely explanation or sequence used for sequential state calculation. So these are the 4 different points available in inferences in temporal model. This is the first concept in this video. Then the second concept what we are going to discuss is the last concept of your fourth unit. It's nothing but hidden Markov models. In this model may contain some representations. There are, I think, 3 different types of representations are there. Transition representation, sensor models, and forward and backward models. 3 different representations are there. To discuss about the 3 different representations is nothing but the concept of Markov, hidden Markov model. Then come to the point. What is meant by hidden Markov model, or shortly called as HMM, is a temporal probabilistic model. Yes, Markov model is a probabilistic model in which the state of the process is described by a single discrete random variable. So, the temporal model is always a probabilistic model in which the state of the process is described by a single discrete random variable. So, in the probabilistic model, we are using single discrete random variables. So the possible values of the variable are the possible states of the world. So what are the values are possible to the variable means the possible states. The possible values of the variable are the possible states of the world. So the umbrella example is an hidden Markov model. since it has just one state variable, rain. So always the example, umbrella example is mainly based on the raining concept. So that's why it contains only one random variable. So that's why umbrella example is a good example for hidden Markov model. Why? Because it contains only a single discrete random variable. So in that the first only one point is nothing but simplified matrix algorithm. So all the representation what we are making here is comes under the form of matrix representations. So already I said some representations are there. It's given here with a single discrete state variable x of t. So always our hidden Markov process is comes under the concept of single discrete state variable. We contain only single discrete variable. We can give a concrete form to the representation is one is transition model and second one is sensor model and third one is forward and backward messages. So there are three different representations are there to represent a single discrete state variable in hidden Markov model. So how these representations are there? First, come to the transition model. So transition model we are represented in this form: probability of xt divided by probability x of t minus 1 because becomes an S into S matrix of T where this is the matrix representation. T of ij is equal to probability of x of t is equal to j and x of t minus 1 is equal to I. So here what is this T of ij is the probability of a transition from state I to state j. For example, the transition matrix for the umbrella world for transition form is given in this format. So T of probability of x of t divided by probability x of t minus 1 which is equal to this one. So these values we taken from the probability table. So that means matrix table which already discussed in our previous concepts. So this is nothing but the matrix representation of transition representation. And here the other two representations are given here. One is sensor matrix representation for sensor matrix. So this is the matrix representation and this is nothing but the expression format P of Et divided by x of t is equal to I and this is the matrix representation and these are the expression formats of forward and backward messaging concept. So these are the points we need to discuss in hidden Markov model. So hidden Markov model simply if you want to say is it is a single discrete random variable concept. That means in this model we have only one random variable. For that the good example for this concept is umbrella example. Why? Because there a single variable is nothing but rainy. Rainy is a single variable because that example is totally depends on that point. So single variable. So how we are expressing this single variable concept or the hidden Markov process means by using some representations. Here how many representations are there is three different representations are there. One is transition model and sensor model and forward and backward messaging model. All these models we express in the form of expression format and their matrix formats. So this is the concept of hidden Markov model. Thank you.